Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Hello. I wanted to apologize for my absence, but for those of you who don't follow me in my Facebook group or my Facebook page, I developed vertigo, something I've never had in my life, and it is horrible. It was horrible, horrendous, the worst ever, and not exaggerating, like, oh my gosh, it was horrible. And one thing that was completely an issue for me was looking down. So there was no way that I could film videos or craft or do much of anything for the last 5 or 6 weeks because of this vertigo. Luckily, I'm feeling like it is abated for now, and I have medication and exercises to do if it happens to come back. The physical therapist did say that I will most likely experience it again. So I'm sorry that I haven't been keeping you guys more up to date. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting videos. So many of you have messaged me saying that you miss me, and I miss you guys too. I miss crafting. It's my happy place, and I haven't been able to go there in a while, and I want to get back there. So there's just a couple of things I want to talk to you about. Number one, I won't post any other videos this week. I'm going to start next week. The number one reason for that is every time I think I have my craft room the way I want it, I change my mind and I start from scratch. Many of you have seen that I had a large 4x4, 5x5, a large Expedite unit, and I decided to get rid of that and I downsized, and I've sold a couple of other pieces. So I've been trying to get things rearranged. I've been trying to pull out all of my retired product, and it's just been, and I have myasthenia gravis, which is a disease that causes weakness, like extreme weakness. So I'm trying to deal with that, the vertigo, get my crafting space back together. It's going to take me at least another week to get to the point where I can film videos for you guys. So we will get there, I promise. There won't be, with that being said, I'm not going to have a video for you guys, the 10 cards 1 kit with the May paper pumpkin. So I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give that away. Unfortunately, I can't send it internationally, but international people can enter. So all you have to do is be subscribed and leave me a comment down below letting me know what new color to Stampin' Up! Is your favorite. Mine is Gorgeous Grape. If you know me at all, you know purple is my color, and that color is just so beautiful, and I cannot wait to play with it. So leave me a comment down below. Again, all you have to do is be subscribed. Leave me a comment down below. I'll use a random generator. If you win and you are in the US, you will get a paper pumpkin. If you win and you are internationally, I'll send you a card set. So I hope that helps. So again, I will be back next week. If you didn't know already, the new Stampin' Up! Catalog went live. I just got a shipment confirmation today. So hopefully I will have my goodies by the end of the week and I can film a haul. I didn't go hog wild like I normally do because I'm not in a place where I can afford to do that right now. But I was able to use some flex point and stuff and get the goodies that I really wanted to get. So I'm really excited to share that with you. I'm really excited for the June paper pumpkin. If you haven't signed up, you can sign up by the 10th of June. It's going to go with our Broadway birthday suite. And you can find all of our new products on my online store, which is linked down below. If you spend over $150, don't use the hostess code, but if your order is lower than that, please feel free to use the hostess code. I send hostess code gifts to everyone that uses that hostess code. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Oh, and let me know down below if you're interested in me starting up what was Jolly Mail, which is now going to be Camp Elfie. And I'm starting a new round of Stamp Camp that will start July 1st. So I'll leave a link down below if you're unfamiliar with that. It is a 6-month commitment. You agree to make a purchase of at least $25 before shipping and taxes in my online store once a month using the hostess code. You get an exclusive project with the supplies to make the project, and you get instructions, supply list, etc. and video, and all of that is exclusive for you. And again, you can sign up following the links down below. So a lot of information. I am going to try to film a catalog walkthrough. I don't know if you'll see anything else from me this week, but I hope to be back next week. I am also playing with probably switching my schedule back to 3 videos a week. I'm disabled. I don't know if you guys know that. If you're new here, you probably don't. I developed a disease called myasthenia gravis, and it, like I said, it's a muscle weakening disease. It's under the muscular dystrophy kind of umbrella. So it limits me a lot, and I had to leave my job last August because of just, yeah, it makes me sad to talk about it, so I don't want to. So, but yeah, so I can't physically do as much as I did before, and unfortunately, the hotter it gets outside, it seems the more weak I become. So while we're in summer, I'm going to try to go down to 3 videos a week. And then I may or may not bump that up. So I know that may disappoint some of you. I know some of you say, would you please not post as often so I can watch and catch up? So I hope we find a happy medium. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all your kind comments, reaching out to me through my Facebook page. You can find links for everything down below. I haven't posted on Instagram in a hot minute. At the end of this video, I'll try to insert an end screen and you'll see a little image for my At Home with Misty channel. I have been posting updates there weekly just because I can sit like this and talk to the camera rather than trying to, you know, put my head down and do all that. But I'm feeling much better. I went to the physical therapist the Wednesday before Memorial Day, and she was able to do an adjustment and get whatever crystals in your ear or whatever. She really realigned it, so hopefully that helps for a while. So that's it, guys. Like I said, giveaway. Just be subscribed, leave me a comment down below. Again, if you are in the US, I will send you the May paper pumpkin. It's brand new. I haven't even opened it. If you're international, I will send you a set of cards. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you. Make sure you check out the link for Patreon. Get your order in. All the things. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.